Hey, it's Lauren. Do you ever get bloated? I know I do. I have actually gluten intolerance, which can cause my bloating, but your bloating could be caused from a number of things, including gut inflammation. So today I'm going to make a simple shake using some really healthy ingredients that will help reduce the bloating and help you get a healthier gut. Okay. So my ingredients that I'm including in this shake today, I've got some spinach. So spinach contains lots of vitamins and minerals and fiber. It also contains a phytosterol known as phytate. Now phytate helps with protein synthesis. So this shake can help with your bloating, but it can also help with your protein utilization. All right, next ingredient up is lemon. Lemon is a natural diuretic. It also contains vitamin C, so it's good to put lots of lemon in this shake. I'm squeezing just 1/4 of a lemon. I'm also going to add about 1 inch of ginger. So ginger has a lot of good properties when it comes to inflammation. It helps reduce inflammation for one. It also helps with it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which make it even better for you. Next up, I've got avocado. Avocado is healthy fats. It also provides a source of glutathione, which is a super antioxidant, which will help with, preventing toxin buildup, reducing antioxidant or free radical stress on the body. Next up, I've got pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is a digestive enzyme, which will help with reducing the bloating again. Pineapple is high in fiber. We want fiber in our diet. The more fiber you have in the diet will help get your gut moving more. You need 25 grams of it a day. Next up, I added banana. Banana helps with providing electrolytes. When you have a balanced gut, you need balanced electrolytes. Electrolytes help with hydration in the body. I'm also going to add, now this is a bonus, if you don't want to have any kind of protein in this shake, a lot of people think that dairy can cause inflammation, but it's really kind of dependent on the type of dairy that you're using. I'm using a super clean whey protein here. It's grass-fed New Zealand whey. The company is called Naked. It has not only amazing clean protein, but it also contains a full dose of probiotics and bovine colostrum. Now, probiotics are essential for your gut health in terms of making sure that your balance of good and bad bacteria is on point. In addition, the colostrum also helps with providing improving gut health as well as protein utilization. So all good ingredients, all good for your gut, all good for balancing the healthy bacteria in there. Last, I'm going to add a little bit of apple juice. This is 100% natural apple juice. You could add water. I just like the taste of the apple juice. It's going to add a little bit of sweetness. Apples are also high in fiber, vitamin C, and that's it. Okay, let's blend. Okay, just gonna pour it back in there. There you have it. Simple smoothie made with good ingredients you can find anywhere, nothing complicated about it. Super good for you, will help with bloating and detox.